How to get rid of fruit flies, gnats, midges, and drain flies. 8 effective DIY remedies you should try. You swat, you spray, you scrub your place down like a crime scene, and the next day, they're back. Fruit flies, houseflies, gnats, midges, drain flies. These tiny pests seem to appear out of nowhere and multiply like it's their full-time job. But here's the truth. They're not just annoying. They're strategic. They go where the food is, where moisture lingers, and where you least expect them to breed. So today, we're tackling them head-on with simple, no-nonsense hacks that actually work. Let's get into it. Number 1, apple cider vinegar trap, a classic for good reason. This simple DIY solution works like a charm and costs next to nothing. Grab a small bowl or glass, pour in some apple cider vinegar, add a drop of dish soap, and cover the top with plastic wrap. Then poke a few small holes in the wrap with a toothpick. The smell of the vinegar will attract fruit flies. They'll crawl in, but they won't be able to come out. The soap breaks the surface tension, so when they land, they drown. Sorry, not sorry. You can also use red wine, balsamic vinegar, or even a piece of overripe banana. They're all magnets for these bugs. Number 2, DIY sticky traps. Passive, but powerful for small flying insects. You can buy them, sure, but making your own is way more satisfying. Here's what you do. Grab a few yellow index cards, then coat them with petroleum jelly or cooking oil, something sticky but safe. Tape or hang them near fruit bowls, houseplants, compost bins, or wherever the party's happening. Gnats and whiteflies alike are attracted to the color yellow. They'll land on the cards and get stuck. You don't even have to lift a finger. Number 3, vinegar spray for midges and flying gnats. Sometimes you want to fight back in real time. That's where the vinegar spray comes in. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of dish soap, just enough to help it cling to these tiny invaders' wings. Now spray those suckers mid-flight, along windowsills, around trash bins, or wherever you've seen activity. Just don't spray this directly on delicate plants. Stick to surfaces and entry points. Number 4, duct tape trap. Low tech, high impact. If you want to find out if drain flies are coming from your drain, try this. Before you go to bed, seal the drain with a piece of duct tape, sticky side facing down. Just leave a few small gaps for airflow. Overnight, if any flies try to escape the drain, they'll get stuck to the tape. This trick doesn't just confirm the source, it helps reduce the population, one stuck bug at a time. Number 5, clean your drains. It's where those pesky drain flies are breeding. Drain flies love moist, gunky pipe residue. You might not see them breeding, but your sink might be their underground city. Here's how to evict them. First, pour a kettle of hot water down the drain. Then add half a cup of baking soda, followed by 1 cup of vinegar. Let it fizz like a volcano for 10 to 15 minutes. Then finish with more hot water. Do this every few days until the population drops. Number 6, clove or citrus essential oils as natural repellents. Not a fan of sprays or traps? Let's repel them with style. Insects, such as flies, absolutely hate the scent of clove, citrus, and lemongrass. Add a few drops of your preferred essential oil to water in a spray bottle, shake it up, and spray it around door frames, windows, garbage lids, and fruit bowls. Or try this old school trick. Stick a few whole cloves into a lemon half and leave it on your counter. It smells fresh and keeps flies away. Number 7, cinnamon as a natural fungicide. Perfect for fungus gnats. If you've got gnats hovering around your houseplants, here's a little secret. They're not just after the leaves, they're laying eggs in the soil. Sprinkle a light layer of ground cinnamon on top of the soil. It's a natural antifungal. which destroys the fungus that gnat larvae feed on. Repeat every few days and water only when the topsoil is dry. Your plants will love you. And the gnats? Not so much. Number 8, wine cork hack. Surprising, but clever. This one's more preventative, but oddly effective, especially when you want to deter fruit flies and drain flies. Place a few natural wine corks around damp areas, like the sink area or even in your fruit bowl. Just be sure there's no wine residue on the cork. This works because natural cork absorbs moisture and odors, and some say it disrupts the scent trail that attracts fruit flies in the first place. There you go. These tiny invaders don't stand a chance when you know what to do. In addition to storing fresh produce properly, taking the trash out daily, and rinsing any containers that held juice, wine, or sweet stuff, try a combo of traps, sprays, and repellents, and let the silence of your kitchen speak for itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your fellow bug battlers. And remember to subscribe for more clever tips and tricks. Stay clean, stay pest-free. See you next time.